Hello Marfins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are very excited to share details about this vaccine that is working in globally level. Yes, here is Blonex. This is aus the vaccine that is able on Google Picture and App Store. As you can Google ID and offer coming to the Me Home interface. You can take new stats on the main interface too. And you can get these opportunities, as well as there. On this interface, you can easily check here different categories. Like first one about sport reading, the next is about new listing, as is also top tuners and future. You just need to click in it and then you check the peer are current here. You can analyze what are the change in their prices. You can easily select that. And next, you can also check there is trading crypto exchange future. You can easily check out there's assisting trading. There is also back like the beginners. Allies, you can also check out more AI features that will also enhance your experience on. So if you want to meet with your team, and you want to be a part of it, then you can easily follow them on their Telegram, on their Teacher and Discord community, where a lay member have joined for their future opportunities. And yes, you can also start reading as and the also sport for future. For this sport rank, you can also check out there are also the peer with their prices at that time. And there results the net chain, and you can analyze crypto market by tot and out it. So in this video, also continue with your work, and you can also buy sell such a B interface. You can also get more of one, like referee what. Next, you can also come to your official page BLON, and this is also actually the website where they're open. Blonex exchange token is also in their second stage. There you can also check out the live prices. Yes, there is current price, and the next price you can easily compare how it work. And this is also the gap where you also get the new S&P I'm going to share it too. And you check out the time I mentioned. After that, they will be next stage. So you can check out the wallet have been raised, there is number of token have been sold out, and there is also the total token supply that is also going to be sold very soon. So you can also use like USDT and the one is about BNB. Using this network, you can write the number of mod and then it can connect the wallet, and easily you can also proceed. So now we are going to connect, we have to click it. An extension like Trust Wallet another will be here that we are also going to give in the password. So this is very simple actually. And then you will also check we are going to connect this site successfully to this wallet and using BNB Smart Chain. So once your Volatility connector, you can easily come here BNB Smart Chain, and there's also the number of amount you want to here. And then it will be convert to that token you can easily cat here. And initially you can also check out for the information under the community like Charnatios and praying chart that you also give you an other move information. And there's also some more key features that future trading engine as well as EA assistant helping information that will be beside. So actually, this is the platform with full of opportunities. You are going to the token Blonex. This is also going to use in the ecosystem. There's one blend it's a BSC. This is the network on that this will be used. They P2D and these collectivists and all the category happen mentioned. To be these benefit out on according to their this step, this is the guideline, how you are going to join them. And there is also the next stage, how State 2 is live at this price, and this is going to be next after 28 days. And you can also become their good member for that. You can also get the vast entire line, and you can check out. Here is the roadmap. According to this, I'm going to making roadmaps like Volatility. What? There is presale stage 1, token contract development, security added, and community channel open. As actually the social media links that you can easily open. And next you can check what is the progress, the issue, seeing all the thing. So this you can easily come here, and this is your interface, where you can also check what add and connected, and you have all the token that will be claimed to. So in this way, you can also check and how you are going to get their token, that you can also be swept from one into another token currency. You can easily select and fetch the code, and if you agree with that, you can execute that. It tells too. So you understand everything, how you are going to be perfect. If you think you have to be in the community, you can get like description, see Nesso, and take and goodbye.